Hello students, in the last video we did introduction to the chapter multiplication and properties of multiplication. Now in this video we are going to do multiplication of 3 and 4 digit number by a single digit number. Okay, first of all we'll find out the product of 3 digit and 4 digit numbers with single digit only. Okay, so these sums are multiplication with single digit only. Now here we have find the product. A part is 1232 multiplied by 3. So first of all we'll multiply the ones column, then tens column, then hundred column, and then lastly thousand column. And which table we have to speak? We have to speak the table of 3. Okay. Now 3 twos are 6. Then 3 threes are 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are then 3 twos are 6. Lastly 3 ones are 3. Okay. This is the way you have to do multiplication. Now B part is your homework. 2312 multiplied by 3. C part also 3203 multiplied by 9. D part I'll do it for you. 4133 multiplied by 6. 6 threes are first. 6 threes are 18, which is a 2 digit number. So we are going to write this ones place in the ones column first. And then 1 will be carried to the next column. 6 threes are 18 again, plus 1. So we will write here 18 plus 1, which is equal to 19. Okay. Now 9 will write in this column and 1 will be carried to the next column. Now 6 ones are 6. We'll write here plus 1, which is equal to 7. Okay. 7 will write here. Now 6 fours are 24. So here 2 will write in the next box. Okay. You have to write one digit in one box. This way you will write. E part is your homework. F part also homework. G homework. H part we'll do now. 7 fours are 28, 2 digit number. 8 will write here and 2 will be the carryover. 9 sevens are or 7 nines are 63 plus 2, which is equal to 65. 5 we will write here and 6 will be carried to the next column. Now 7 fives are 35. I'll write it down. 7 fives are 35 plus 6 we have to do, which is equal to 41. Okay. Now 1 you will write here and 4 will be carried to the next column. Now 7 fives are 35 again, plus 4 we have to do now, which is equal to 39. Okay. This we will write in this box, then in this box. Okay. Multiplication of 2 and 3 digit number by a 2 digit number. See children, it is not written in your syllabus, but you have to do it as it will come in your class 4. So you have to learn it from class 3 only. Okay. Multiplication, multiply the following. A part will do. Here what is the method children? Here we have to multiply. This is our multiplier. Okay. We have to multiply each digit with each digit of the multiplicand one by one. Okay. First we'll take this only. We have to forget that this number is there. Okay. First you will multiply 24 and 5 only. Okay. Then we'll forget this number and we'll multiply with 2. Now let us see how you have to do. Okay. See, first of all we have to multiply 5 with 4. 5 fours are 20. 2 0 0 will write here and 2 will be carried to the next column. Okay, this is carryover. Then 5 you will multiply with 2. 5 2s are 10 and 10, this carryover also is there, so we have to add this 10 plus 2, which is equal to 12. So 12 you will write like this. Now this is tens column's turn. Okay, this is over. We have to forget this now. We have to see this. This is tens column, so we will start writing its answer from the tens column only. So this ones column will be 0 or cross. Okay. Now we have to start with this 2. Now we have to multiply 2 with 4 first, then 2 with 2 first. Okay. 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now see children, this carryover was for this number. Need not to add it again and again. This is over now. This we have done. Okay. We will not add it again. Now this column and this column we will add. This and this. Okay. I'll just put a bracket and put plus sign here just for your information. You don't have to put the sign. 0 plus nothing, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 will write here and 1 will be carried to the next column. 4 plus 1 plus 1, 6. So answer is 600. Okay. Now B part is your homework. Okay. C part will do 37 25. So first of all we'll forget this one. First we'll multiply with 5. Then we'll forget this 5 and we'll multiply with 2. 5 7s are 35. 5 you will write here and 3 will be carried to the next column. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Now next no number is there, so 18 full we are going to write here. Okay. Now this is tens column's turn now. Tens place number. Now tens place number means ones place will be cancelled or we will put a cross here. 2 7s are first, then 2 3s are. 2 7s are 14. 14 we'll write here. Out of that 4 we are going to write in this column and 1 will be carried to the next column. Now we don't have to add this. We'll put a cross here. We have done it. We will do with this one now. Now 2 3s are 6 and this one we have to add. 6 plus 1 which is 7. Now what is the next step? We have to add this and this. 5 plus nothing 5. 8 plus 4 12. 1 carried to the next one. Now 7 plus 1 plus 1 9. So answer is 925. Children, you have to practice it every day. Then only you will be able to learn this method. Okay. So learn the tables and practice these questions every day. Now in E part I have 3 digits in the multiplicand and 2 digits in the multiplier. Okay. Now let us see what you will do. First of all with 3 we have to do all the digits and then with 2 we will do. First with 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 and 1 will be carried to the next column. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 4s are 12. 1 here and 2 here. Now put a cross. Now it is the turn for 2. We need not to do anything with this 3 now. We have to do it with 2. 2 5s are 10. 0. 1 is carried to the next column. 2 2s are 4. We'll not add this. We'll add this now. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 2s are 8. Now what is the next step? We have to add this and this. Means this full number and this full number. 5 plus nothing 5. 7 plus 0 7. 5 plus 2 7. 8 plus 1 9. So this is your answer. This is the way you have to do. The difference is only that it is having 3 digit numbers. I hope you understood, children. Now F part, G part and H part are your homework. Okay children, bye.